Stop what you're doing. Step away from the desk.
What?
Do as I say.
Am I being fired?
You're resigning. Believe me, it's far better than the alternative.
And what would that be?
Imagine the board. They put you in here to spy on me and you take up with an inmate.
That is rubbish.
Miss Bennett has furnished me with a statement of what she witnessed between you and Doyle.
Which was nothing.
You don't really want to go through a formal investigation, do you? I mean, you realize how damaging that would be for you?
I'll take that risk.
It will hurt you, your reputation, people close to you. I mean, your assessment of Franky Doyle, that's critical for her parole. These allegations, you know, it would be impossible for the parole board to consider your report on her. I can see another, what, at least 12 months getting the proper assessments and paperwork ready for her to lodge another bid.
You would do that.
Bridget? What's going on?
Back away from the fence, Doyle.
They're getting rid of you? Fuck. What about my parole? I'm never going to get out of here.
You'll be right.
I'm sorry.
You did nothing wrong.
Miss Westfall.
I'll be at your hearing, okay?
Now.